On Monday, we spoke about the Agromet forecast predicting the 2nd to the 4th as a wet period for December, and we are now seeing that forecast come through. I am Zena James with your weather. Let's jump right in. Now, a broad trough with a large area of trailing activity has been generating the instability we saw intermittently today, and this instability is expected to increase tonight and possibly continue into Thursday. Now, as a result, the Trinidad and Tobago Meteorological Service has issued an adverse weather alert at yellow level, which goes into effect tonight at 11 and remains in place until Thursday at 4 p.m. Now, this alert is for both Trinidad and Tobago, and during this period, we can expect rainfall of varying intensities across both islands, with a high chance for heavy scattered showers and isolated thunderstorms. Now, looking at our 5-day cumulative rainfall forecast, higher totals are expected across eastern Trinidad and Tobago, as well as over Grenada, St. Vincent and the Grenadines, St. Lucia and Barbados as well. Now, with extended periods of rainfall expected over the next 2 days, some possible impacts include gusty winds in excess of 55 kilometers per hour, which can displace loose objects and also agitate sea conditions. Heavier downpours may also lead to street or flash flooding, and with already saturated soils, the risk of landslides will be elevated as well. Now, before the most intense activity arrives tonight, residents are advised to secure any loose outdoor items, and if you encounter floodwaters on the roadway, do not attempt to drive through them, and continue to stay updated with official advisories with us at TTT and live online. So for tonight, expect partly cloudy to mostly cloudy skies with scattered showers in some areas, and at nighttime lows will dip to 23 degrees in most areas of Trinidad, except for southern Trinidad, which could see a low of 22 degrees. Now, Tobago will also see cloudy skies with scattered showers, becoming more likely closer to midnight with a nighttime low of 25 degrees. Now, looking at our satellite across the southern Caribbean, we can see that denser clouds moving in from the east and extending up, like we said, toward Tobago, Grenada, and those areas that we spoke about before. Now, this supports the unsettled pattern ahead. So between our sunrise and sunset times and heading into Wednesday, precipitation chances will be slightly lower in Trinidad, with variably cloudy skies and scattered showers, along with a high chance for thunderstorm activity. Tobago, however, will see a slightly higher chance for precipitation, above 60% throughout most of the day, and because of that, we could see some cloudy periods and even some overcast conditions throughout the day. Now, when it comes to our daytime highs, it will be capped around 30 degrees, not peaking above because of all that cloud cover, so we'll feel those cooler temperatures throughout both islands. Now, as for our marine conditions, the seas may become occasionally agitated near heavier showers and thunderstorms, and with spring tides in effect, we can expect higher than normal tidal levels, along with slower runoff rates because of those exaggerated high tides. Now, when we talk about those exaggerated high tides, these are the times that we will look out for, and we want to be extra cautious during those times, okay? Now, that is all for your weather. I am Zena James. Have a safe and enjoyable evening ahead.